Okay, we have written another integral. This one's from the University Math Society, problem number 240. We have the integral of sine x times natural log tan x dx. Okay, now to get started with this, just a couple things. When we have natural log, a lot of times what we want to do is integration by parts, and we have two functions here. So I think I'm just going to get right to the integration by parts and do the straightforward thing here. And we'll use the DI method. So what I want from these two functions is something to differentiate and something to integrate. Because we have a hard time with natural log, let's differentiate natural log, and I'll integrate sine of x over here. So first, let's just take the derivative of natural log tan x. So this is going to give me 1 over tan x. But then we need the chain rule on tan x, so the derivative of tan x is going to be just secant squared of x. And then over here, we just want the integral of sine x. Well, it's just going to be minus cosine of x. So we'll get part of our solution right there on the diagonals. So we'll write that part down. We'll have minus cosine x natural log tan x. And then here, this part here is going to be an integral, but I need to kind of clean this up a little bit. So we'll have minus times minus, we'll have a plus in front of this integral. And now before I plug this all in and we make a mess over here, let's try to simplify it first. So I'm going to take tan x. So first I'll take tan x to the denominator and flip it. So I can write this as cotangent x secant squared x, and then we'll have our cosine x. But secant's just 1 over cosine, so I'm going to cancel cosine with one of these secants. And then from here, let me just write this in terms of sine and cosine. So cotangent is going to be cosine x over sine x, and secant x is going to be 1 over cosine x. But then we can cancel this here. 1 over secant x, I can just write this as cosecant x. And so we'll just take this and we'll plug it into our integral over here. But now this is a common integral. I'm just going to use the formula for that. But let's bring everything else down. So we're going to have in our solution minus cosine x natural log tan x. And the formula for this is just going to be plus natural log absolute value cosecant x minus cotangent x. Put a plus c, and that's it. Okay, so there you have it. Pretty straightforward problem from University Math Society. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.